Good morning, folks.
Good morning.
One of our fellow breakfast-loving YouTube friends recommended Dottie's Kitchen here in the Bavarian-themed tourist town of Helen, Georgia, one of our favorite places to visit. So Tammy, it looks like here at Dottie's you stand in line when you come in or go up to the counter, you order your food, and then you go sit down. So it looks like it's pretty efficient. The line's moving pretty fast. In fact, according to one of our servers, this is actually called cafeteria style today. We're eating cafeteria style. Tammy thinks she's getting the Dottie's breakfast special. I'm going to try the biscuits and gravy. I've heard good things about the gravy here, Tam. And the biscuits look like they speak for themselves.
Hello. Can I get eggs and bacon?
Tammy's ready to dive in, I think. I'm interrupting her. She's ready to go. She's got the Dottie's breakfast special. It looks good.
Yeah.
These biscuits, Tammy, put your hand over there. Look how big these caveat biscuits are. And I went with biscuit and sausage gravy. You know, I've said it before on this channel. I've had a lot of biscuits and sausage gravy over my life, but no one makes better sausage gravy than this lady sitting across the table. Tammy makes the best sausage gravy I've ever had. So I judge it all against hers. How are those grits, Tammy? Have you had any yet? They're really good.
I had to add more salt.
They look nice and creamy. Is it cheese grits?
Yep.
Pour the gravy over it. It looks like good biscuit and gravy consistency. All right, let's give it a try, Tammy. We're going to decide here whether or not this is anywhere near. Already, there's not a lot of chunks of sausage in it, but we'll give it a try. Camera slip. The biscuits are pretty darn good. Have you had any of the biscuit yet, Tammy?
Yep.
It's pretty good. Just the right consistency. Got some moisture in it. It's a good biscuit. See if it grows on me. The gravy's not bad. It's nowhere near Tammy's, but it's pretty good. Tam, have you had anything other than grits yet? Okay.
I've had everything.
Oh, really? Because it looks like you're really loving the grits.
They are good. I love grits anyway.
And good eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, baby, that was good. Tam. That's a lot of food.
And I'm taking care of it.
That's what I said. But then they left it in the review that the bed was broke. And I was like, that bed was not broke before. I know it wasn't. Because I actually, before they came,
So Tam, Dottie's Kitchen in the tourist town of Helen, Georgia, here in the North Georgia mountains. What did you think of that breakfast?
It was good. A little pricey.
Well,
but
it's
it was
a
good.
tourist town.
Yeah.
But along with tourist town prices, often you get tourist town portions as well. They want you
The
to,
portions were big.
they want your vacation to be like a bacchanal every single day. So it was big portions. I was full off of just one biscuit and the sausage, but the biscuits, their specialty, their house specialty, they were big and they were delicious. I recommend this. If you're in Helen and you're up early, they close at noon, folks. So you need to be an early riser to get here to enjoy the breakfast. But a lot of people apparently are, judging by the crowd. Until the next time, this is Mike and Tam from Helen, Georgia saying
Bye.
bye.